Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by forcing the camera to save as Jpeg. Open Settings, tap Camera, then Formats, and select Most Compatible. This tells the phone to record new images as Jpeg rather than hike. Once done, every new capture uses the standard JPG container, which avoids compatibility issues with older apps and web uploads. Make sure you want slightly larger files. That's the trade-off. Jpeg is widely supported, but takes more storage. You can proceed to convert existing hike next. Now convert photos you already shot. Open Photos, select the hike images, tap Share, then Save to Files. When you export to a location, iOS often writes a JPEG copy depending on the export path. Alternatively, on iOS 16 and later choose Share right arrow Export right arrow Save as JPEG for explicit conversion. For many images, move them into files first, or use a converter app to batch process. This keeps originals safe, while creating JPEG copies. You finish by transferring and verifying your JPEG. AirDrop, USB, or iCloud Drive will move the converted files. After transfer, inspect file names for JPG and open a sample to confirm compatibility. If you import to a Mac or PC, set the Photos or Import tool to convert or import as JPEG. That prevents hike from slipping through. If you still get hike files, check Settings, right arrow Photos, right arrow Transfer to Mac or PC, and pick Automatic. This forces JPEG on transfer and resolves remaining compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.